Hi, I'm Beautasia with Hollywood Beautiful, the world's first superhero of beauty. Today I'm going to show you how to use an eyebrow pencil and highlighter. You're going to need an eyebrow pencil, a flat makeup brush, and an eyebrow brush. So first you want to take your eyebrow pencil. Let me clip my hair back really quick so you can see. Go. Now take your eyebrow pencil. And you want to start using what's called feather strokes. So they're just light, gentle strokes, ever so slightly, and just kind of fill in any holes. So you want to start in the corner of your eye. This is how you're going to measure it, and go to the outside of your nose. So as you can see, I need to extend my eyebrow just a little bit and see how it frames my face. Okay, so now I'm going to take my eyebrow brush and blend. So just nice, soft, little gentle strokes to give it a more natural look. Now finally, I'm going to take my flat makeup brush and I'm going to use this bone color here. Any light color with a little sparkle will work. And I'm going to apply it just under the arch and right under my eyebrow. Press it in and blend because the light is going to hit it and really brighten the eye and open it up. So that's how you use an eyebrow pencil and highlighter. I'm Beautasia with Hollywood Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Have a super day.